What if literally God break your heart just to save your soul? Well, many of us experience this. We are facing this pain, this betrayal, this hardship, this broken heart. And what if it is God's direction for your life just to save your soul? Don't get me wrong, alright? All of your feelings are valid. All of your pains are valid. Lahat yan ay totoo. Lahat yan ay naramdaman mo. Pero, may mga kaparaanan ng Panginoon na ginagawa niya or inaalaw niya na mangyari sa ating buhay so that kahit papano mapansin mo man lang siya. At isa sa kaparaanan na ginagawa ng Diyos or pinahintulutan niya is God will allow you to experience a heartbreak, pain, betrayal in order for you to see the goodness of our God. What if you don't experience this betrayal? What if you don't experience this pain? So you will just live your life as your own. Pero if you are living in this situation, in this condition, that you are really happy and you are doing great in your life, but you don't have God, wala kang Diyos sa puso mo, wala kang Diyos sa buhay mo, wala kang values, wala kang sinusunod na higher being katulad ng ating Diyos. Alam mo ang gagawin ng Panginoon? Di bali nang mawala ang lahat sa'yo. Di bali nang mawala yung mga businesses mo. Di bali nang mawala yung mga finances mo. Di bali nang mawala yung kung ano yung pinagkakaabalahan mo or yung mahal mo sa buhay, your relationship that you value too much. The Lord will allow you to experience na mawala yung lahat ng bagay na yon in order to make room for His dwelling in your heart. Every pain has a purpose. Every experience that you are experiencing has a purpose. And maybe this is God's way of telling you na, anak, lumapit ka naman sa akin. I'm breaking your heart right now. I'm allowing these breakups, this broken-hearted, so that you will come near to me. Because sabi po ng Bible is the Lord is close to those who are broken-hearted, and He binds up their wounds. And if you are on the other screen, perhaps experiencing this scenario, maybe the Lord is telling you that you've been in this hardship and this pain because the Lord wants to near from you. It's time to ask God, Lord, what am I to you? Ano ba yung gusto mong mangyari? Or maybe you can surrender to God. Surrender your heart to the Lord. Surrender your whole being to God. And surrender your heart, yung puso mong basag, yung puso mong sugat-sugat. Surrender it to Him because He is alone can fix it. God bless you, kapatid. Ano man ang pinagdaraanan mo ngayon, nakikita ng Diyos at nararamdaman niya ang bawat nararamdaman mo. Tumawag ka na sa Kanya. God bless you.